Maggie, I love you very much. I'm looking forward to seeing you in a little bit in a beautiful white dress. I'm sweating already. I'm nervous. This beautiful day. It's warm out. And let's do it, baby. I'm ready.
All of your moments together have led up to this exchange of vows and have prepared you as you promise to be each other's lifetime partner. For you both, we ask that you be granted the patience to listen, the capacity to understand, and the compassion to console, to let your home be a place where neither person is a stranger. Let your marriage offer illumination and growth. May silence and despair never separate you, and may you always return to the comfort of each other's arms. It is said that one does not fall in love, but grows in love. And now we celebrate this love, your love. Are you ready to enter into this marriage with Maglenys, believing the love you share and your faith in each other will endure all things?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Are you sure? Did you want to take a second?